Different parts of a house. Roof. Roof is the top part of the house that protects us from rain and sun. Window. Window is a glass opening in the wall to let in fresh air and sunlight. Balcony. Balcony is a small open area attached to the house where we can stand and enjoy the view. Door. Door is the entry or exit to each room or the house. Garage. Garage is a space where we park cars and sometimes store tools. Driveway. Driveway is the path leading from the road to the garage or house entrance. Path. Path is a walkway outside the house, usually leading to the door.